right, so we're headed to Daytona International Speedway with both the Camaros. Nicole doesn't know that we're going there yet. Kind of gonna surprise her. Not sure if you'll be able to hear me over the sound of the car. I'll try to keep it low in the RPMs. In a nutshell, I've done some marketing with IMSA. They do the Rolex 24 and things like that at Daytona. And they reached out to me because I do a couple of different charity donations and things like that. They reached out to me and let me know that Daytona International Speedway is letting people drive on the track if they donate to the NASCAR Foundation. So previously, they would never let anybody on the track. When I was working with IMSA, I tried to get this Camaro on the track. Ultimately, I want to drift the infield, but I think this is a step in the right direction that they're letting cars on the track. So hopefully they're starting to loosen up kind of the restrictions on the track. You figure they invested millions, if not billions of dollars into redoing the track. So they really need to come up with ways to generate additional revenue. I would pay any amount of money that I have in my bank account to drift on that track. So hopefully this leads up to it. Basically, we're gonna get 2 laps around the track. I'm gonna try my hardest not to drift the track because I really wanna get permission and go back there to be able to do that. But we'll see. So we'll see you guys when we get there. All right, so we're at Daytona International Speedway. So they're putting on a charity event, basically $100 per car, and you get to drive on Daytona International Speedway. So as you can see, there's probably like 1,000 cars out here already. It's pretty crazy. What's happening?
I have no idea.
So we're gonna drive on the Speedway.
Yeah?
Yeah, your car too. All right, so we're waiting in line and hopefully we're gonna go out on the track in a little bit. This is the first time that Daytona International Speedway has allowed people onto the track with their own vehicles. Anytime I've tried this before, there's been tons of legal regulations and things like that preventing them from doing it. So this is a pretty significant day. I'm gonna try my hardest not to do any drifting or anything like that. I'm just gonna try to run the track or go around the track. The way it was explained to me is that they're gonna do 50 cars at a time, and it's gonna be an escorted lap by, you know, one of the workers from Daytona International Speedway. I'm kind of in the middle of the pack, and Nicole's behind me, so in theory, I could have her kind of hold traffic back as I just, you know, maybe clutch kick third around the infield. But one of the guys came up and he recognized the car and he was like, no drifting today. So that might deter me from clutch kicking third. So we'll see. In any case, it's gonna be really cool for you all to see kind of a point of view of the track and just how massive the bank of Daytona International Speedway is. It's pretty crazy. I wanna say you have to be going at least 60 miles an hour, otherwise your car will literally lose traction potentially and kind of slide down the bank. That's how aggressive the bank at Daytona International Speedway is. So I'm really excited to show you this track. Let's go ahead and take you along for the ride. This is pretty crazy. Not gonna lie to you. This is nuts. This is nuts. Look at the bank. The bank is ridiculous. was so cool. This video. Hope you guys like the track. It sucks that we only did the outfield because I definitely wanted to drift the infield. This is a good sign that they're probably going to allow more and more people to start using the track. So if they have another opportunity like this, you better believe I'm gonna bring the car out there and try to drift it.